let's do some game test. The first game is Pubg. Here in the settings, you can either choose HDR high resolution and 4-frame compilation, or smooth and extreme 4-frame combo. What I choose now is the latter. It feels smooth, no lag at all. You can even switch between the two combos during gaming. When in HDR high resolution and 4-frame mode, it feels a bit unsmooth, but cannot complain that when considering the price. I would say the performance is almost the same as Snapdragon 710. I have used a game frame recording app to record the whole gaming. You can see the average FPS is 58, the average fluctuation is 1.95 frame, not bad at all.